Now, Isaiah Sharp with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
Conditions are looking much improved compared to what we saw this morning. Nice skies over the top of the Treasure Valley area. Temperatures sitting into the 70s. We do have some wind starting to kick on up, probably feeling gusts into those 20s. But the focus is going to be, will we see any more showers tonight? We were talking about the thunderstorms being off and on. This morning saw some, and then a little bit of a gap, and then somewhat into the afternoon, and then now sitting into a gap right now. No rain over the top of us, but that doesn't mean there isn't any more expected in the forecast. We do have a couple of warnings that's out there. I want to highlight that. A flash flood warning for parts of the western central mountains and a lot of Oregon. You can see some red flag warnings on top of that too. Both of these expected to expire going into tonight. We actually have some special weather statements over the top of Oregon right now. Some thunderstorm activity is happening in that region. It's going to be important to keep an eye on the potential of some lightning happening in these regions, especially with wildfire season as close as it is. Just waiting for it to really get kicked off with some of these thunderstorms passing on through. Now let's take a look at the chance of showers moving on in. This is what we're seeing tonight. This is the future cast. It is showing a couple of showers over the top of Ontario, Weiser, Homedale, creeping into the Nampa area and parts of Caldwell as well. So going into tonight, expecting a couple of showers to pass on through. The Boise region, Meridian, Star Eagle looking fairly clear, which is some good news if you got any plans outside. I'm assuming you might. And then when it comes to the potential of more showers moving in later, pay attention. We're going to have a little bit of activity right over the top of Melba. It's going to disappear before it gets to Boise. Watch it, and boom, completely gone. And this is what our skies are going to look like for the rest of the weekend. So good news if you got plans outside for Saturday and for Sunday, because more of the same is on the way. A couple of showers expected up into those mountains, but really when it comes to the general area, expecting some really clear skies. The focus is going to be on the temperatures, though, immediately after that. The skies are going to clear. Temperatures tomorrow looking really nice. 84 in Boise, also in Caldwell sitting at 84. 70s into those mountains. The warmest we're going to see is 87 over in Glens Ferry. But all of this only set to last going into Saturday, because Sunday is a very different story. Here's those showers expected to dissipate, and then we've got a high pressure ridge going to build on in. This lighter orange is going to turn into darker orange as we're going to start to see some triple digits return to Idaho. So just be prepared for it. A quick look at those temperatures once again going into tomorrow. 80s across the board with clear skies on the way. So go out and enjoy the lovely Saturday that we have ahead. Temperatures up into those western central mountains. 71 for McCall and 72 for Cascade. 80s expected everywhere else. There's the couple of showers that passed on earlier. Very light chances of showers in McCall and in Riggins, Idaho. So no concerns really about those. Take a look at the active weather we saw up in McCall today. A couple of flashes of lightning on top of that too. Temperatures into the 70s going into tomorrow, quickly rising into the 90s. This was 90 earlier today, now tracking at 91 expected on Tuesday, and completely clear skies. So make sure you get that sunscreen ready to go. When it comes to the temperatures for the extended forecast, Treasure Valley, it is going to get very warm very fast. So please go out and enjoy the nice temperatures we have today and tomorrow. 84 on the way for Saturday. The skies are going to be crystal. Not a cloud is expected, but the bump in temperatures, that for sure is. 98 by Monday, 102, and then another 98 expected on Wednesday. A decent chance of triple digits for both of these days for some parts of Idaho. But just be prepared. We might have a heat advisory moving on in, and the 90s are sticking around for the rest of the work week.